Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to create an alarm clock and how to remove an alarm clock. So to do it, first of course we need to open the clock application and let's create the alarm. So click plus, choose the time you wanna wake, for example. Click OK and it will ring in 55 minutes, for example. And of course we can disable this alarm, but if you wanna remove it, you need to swipe right, like in iPhone devices, and here you'll see the red trash box icon. So click on it and cool, alarm was successfully removed. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!